Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device has a LiDAR module and that iOS plus the scanning app are updated. Once done, grant camera and location permissions so the sensor can access depth and position data. Next, open the native measure or a third-party LiDAR app and choose a scanning mode, object, room, or portrait, because each mode changes range and resolution. Position yourself so the target fills the frame, move slowly, and keep the lens unobstructed to get accurate initial captures. You now perform the detailed scan by moving the iPhone smoothly. Think of gentle, consistent sweeps roughly 0.5 to 1 meter per second so the LiDAR can register depth points. Make sure you maintain about 0.5 to 3 meters distance depending on mode, and change angles to capture hidden or recessed surfaces. As you sweep, use visual guides or mesh overlay to confirm complete coverage. Stop to rescan areas that show holes. Also, vary height slightly to capture top and bottom surfaces for a full model. You finish by reviewing the mesh or point cloud, trimming unwanted geometry, and using fill or smoothing tools to repair small gaps. When the model looks complete, choose an export format like OBJ, SDL, or PLY and share via AirDrop, cloud, or direct upload for editing. If data is noisy or incomplete, try one key troubleshooting step. Improve lighting, move closer, or restart the app and rescan the problematic area. These fixes often restore proper depth registration and cleaner outputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.